got a nail in the tire. That's not good. Can't do a damn thing about it now. Cold water, all you need. No chemicals, no nothing. Oh, coffee. Lots of coffee. And maybe a cigar when you're done, that would help too. I know it helps me. Actually, on a side note, with my disability, my muscles are very tight. And when I smoke a cigar, they relax, make you feel like this easier. Call me crazy, but it helps. Who knows why? To me, I really don't care. But if you're under 18, don't smoke. That's illegal. Oh, doesn't that look better? What a mess. I think I need a new rag. There goes my coffee. Damn it. That injures me a little. All better. It's very important to keep the area near your pedal clean. Because if it's not clean, when you push the forward pedal, it will lock forward and not stop when you want it to. In a newer machine, that won't be an issue. I've heard other people discuss that problem on Facebook, YouTube, but I still don't know how to fix it. So if you know how, feel free to give me a your message. I appreciate it. I'm more of an operator than fixer. I'm no mechanic. Hell, I'm no mechanic at all. If I get this thing running in the cold weather, I'm happy. But I'm all proud to have the Backhoe. I wouldn't trade it for the world. Just take your time, you know? Like anything, just takes a little time and a little patience. I can still remember the day we got the Backhoe. They left it up by my mailbox. Literally. Up the hill. I have a 300-foot driveway where you can't see the box from the house. And when my mom came home from work, she says, "Hey, Mark, it's up there." So I took a walk up. I remember I said, "Well, where's the key?" I found the key. Going home, I don't think I've ever been happier. And I'm not saying you can buy happiness, hell no. But if you can find something that you love, something that means the world to you, go after it. I did. Look at me now. Dream come true. You know, I mean, if you can make one of your dreams a reality in life, that's awesome. You know? Think about that. You think about it all your life, literally. I've lived on this property for about 23 years now. And for about, let's say, 18 of them, so my dad and I discussed our dream machine. No, it would never happen. And then we were driving by this place one day, and they had this out for sale. And I thought we were getting older. I have a disability, and we knew we needed something to help us plow the snow or move firewood or whatever. And my mother said, "Why don't we look into that? You know, might be a good investment." So we drove over, we looked at the backhoe, got all the rigmarole, and we rented it for a day. And we used it all day long. And by the end, we knew what we had to do. 5 years later, well, however many years I began, I still look at this with love and admiration. It means that much to me. How many times did I can get that? I probably won't get it again. I'm not into fast cars or Vegas or crap. I'm into this. How can you complain about that? I mean, really, living your dream. Not saying other things don't have issues. Of course they do. But this is my baby. Cadillac T7. If you like this one, and you got land, and you're doing stuff, go buy a Backhoe. You ain't gonna regret it. Have a good day.